Hi everyone, I continue on topic 5. This is video number 4. So we finished here, and so I have this question. The intensity of light decreases by 25% passing through a standard solution of concentration. So if you remember, the formula was I equal I0 e power minus kc. So I0 is the start of the intensity of the at the beginning, and I is, sorry about that, so I is just the intensity after. So and then C here is the concentration that we use. K is the rate. Okay, so the intensity of light decreases by 25%, means this part means 25% is gone, 75% stays, and then means I 0.05, because that's concentration. For this concentration this happens. Okay, so is 0.75 I0, okay, which I can use. This is equal I0 e power minus k 0.5. So that's okay. So maybe I can just make it smaller here. So this is I 0.05, which is 0.75 I0, and this is I0 e power minus k, this k. Okay, so I have this, and then so I can highlight this as this one. Okay, so now then it says the density light was decreased by 35%, means 35% is gone, and 65% is there. 65% so stays. Okay, so I 0. Okay, so it says find the concentration. Okay, so I don't know concentration, I want to find it. IC is 0.65 I0, which is I0 e power minus ck. So this idea is here. Okay, I want to go to blue one to find C, but I can't because I need to have K. So I use this one to find K. Then when I have K, I use this one to find C. Yes, to find C. Done. Okay, so that can be done by you. Then you can check in all answers. This is also very similar, so as you like, I can leave them as homework here, and question 16, and now I can go to 17. Okay, so a population of wolves, initially 800, okay, so this is N0, is decreasing exponentially at 6% per year. Okay, so I have N0 equal 800, 6% per year annually decay. Okay, a population of rabbit, initially 200, so means another question. This one increases, so 2% per year is going up. in how many years I have the same population for both of them. So one of them starts with 800, goes down. One of them starts with 200, goes up. In which year they have the same population? Okay. So this one is 800 as a start, e power minus 0.6 t. And this one is 200 e power plus 0.02 t. Now I want to know in which year they are the same. So 800 e this t equal 200 e this one. So from here, you are just doing a question from topic 4. You want to find t. Okay. First, I simplify. So 800 divided by 200. Okay, so I can say 4. Okay, so I cancel this and this and I say 4. Okay, 4 e power minus this equal this. Okay, t. Okay, so I tell you, these kind of questions, you can do ln of both sides. Okay, I can do e power negative 1 over e power positive, and then I do cross multiplication and just make it 1e. Yes, I can simplify it, but let's say I don't want, doesn't matter. I can do ln of both sides. When I have one term one side, one term the other side, I do ln of both sides. So ln 4 minus this ln e, which is 1. Okay, so I do a step by step. Ln 4 e power this. I cannot. Okay, ln e this. I cannot go through ln. I cannot go through e from ln if I have 4 in between. Okay, I cannot say ln and e are beside each other, so boom, so they cancel each other. I can't because 4 is here. So ln 4, I have to use logarithm rules from topic 3. Ln 4 plus ln e power that equal ln e power that, which is ln 4 minus this equal this. So I have ln 4 equals 0.08 t, and t is ln 4 divided by this, which is 17.32. That's year. Okay, years. And I can underline that, check. Okay, so it is 17.3 years is the answer. That's almost. So when after 17.3 years, I have the number of rabbits and the number of wolves the same. Remember, one of them starts 800, goes down, and one of them starts 200 and goes up. That's a nice question. Maybe I would say, okay, so how many do I have? So you have to sub in 17.3 in one of them, or use more digits. So don't use the rounded answer because you rounded that. That's just for answer. So use more digits from here. Okay, and then find the number. Okay. So the half-life, okay, so the next question. The half-life of radioactive substance is 23 days. This is the half-life, G. How long is it until the percent remaining is this? Remaining. When I say remaining means that's NT, and I am looking for T. See, NT is this, and we want you to find T. NT is this, and I want you to find T. So 3%, 10%, 10%, 10 divided by 100, 3 divided by 100. Okay, so very similar, you can do it. So this is also, you can do this. See, the population is this. This is K. Find T when N is this. I have N0, I have K, I want to find T when that's N. Yes, you can do this. Okay, so similar. So again, I have half-life, I have 120 milligram. So this is, let me see, starting, yes, this is N0. Okay, this is NT, and I want to find T. Which formula I should use? Do I use K or do I use 2 power? I use 2 power because I have half-life. Okay, so 40 milligram equal 120 milligram, half-life 2 power minus T divided by 1620. That should be the case. Yes, and you want to find T. Find T. From here is just one question from topic 4. Topic 5, you need to read the question carefully, understand what's going on, understand which formula you use. Is it Garrett or decay? Is it 2 power or you have to use K, E power? Which one you have, which one you want to find, what's going on. But the rest is just solving. This one also. We start from this. This is N0. This is doubling time. So G, 40 minutes. How many minutes that I have? This is N, T, and I want to find T. Find T. So very similar to questions that we did. Okay, so this is 22. Question 22. Yeah. So the second last question. 22 is here. Okay. So radium-221 has a half-life of 30 seconds. So G is 30 seconds. How long will it take for 95% of it to decompose? Means 95% gone, 5% left. Oh, what does 5% mean? Oh, 0.05. N0 equal N0. I need to understand. Decompose means gone. 5% is staying. The rest is staying. Oh, okay. Do I have N0? No, I don't need, because N0 and 0 cancel each other. Do I use E power or 2 power? I use 2 power because I have half-life. Okay, I use 2 power. Do I use minus or plus? Minus, because it's half-life, so means decreasing. Okay, so minus T over 30. And this cancel. Find T. Find T. Okay, so do it. So the last but not least is this question. Okay, so for those questions that I didn't do, I would like to tell you what does it mean. So a bacterial culture starts with, so this is N0, and after 60 minutes the count is, so N60 is 125,000. 50,000, 125,000, okay, 125,000, so it's going up. What is doubling period? Okay, which formula do you use? Okay, so you use N60 is 50,000, so I use 125,000 equal 50,000. 2 power or e power? 2 power, because it's talking about doubling period. 2 power plus or minus? Plus, because it says doubling period. Plus 60 plus 60 over yes, over G, and I want to find G. 60 over G. I want to find G. Okay, solve for G. From here is topic 4. Yes? Yeah. Okay. So this question, yes, I said. Find T. Let me see. Yes, okay. How about, so maybe I can say what is the unit. Find G. So find G in minute. Here find T in, I think, seconds. Yes. Here find T. Find T in minute. T in minute. Okay. So what do you use here? Yes, 60,000 equal 60,000 equal 100,000 doubling. Okay, 2 power plus T over 40. Find T. Okay. Why plus? Because it's doubling, so goes up, growth. Why 2 power? Because I'm talking about doubling period, so I don't have anything to do with e power and k. Oh, okay. How about here? Again, this is the same thing, but find T in years. Yes. Here. How about this one? Yeah. Okay, so I have 210,000 equal 178,500. It is growing, so it's power positive. Okay, but is it doubling or half-life or no? Growing, doubling period? No, I don't have doubling period. I have K, so I use e power. I use e power 0.021. How long? T. Find T. Find T in years. Because it says per annum. Per annum means annually, per year. Okay? How about here? Half-life. Okay, so 0.1 N0 equal N0 2 power minus T over 23. Yeah. And then find the answer. So here, this 0.03 N0 is N0 e power, 2 power, sorry, 2 power minus T over 23. And find the answer. Here I already did the question. So here no. Okay, so 16. The half-life of polonium 210 is 140 days. So this is the half-life is 140 days. So half-life. Okay. The sample has this milligram. So this is N0. Find the mass that remains after T days. Means show me the equation. Do you show 2 power or e power? 2 power, because it says half-life. I don't need to bother myself. to go and find K. I don't need. I have another formula. 2 power, positive or negative? Negative, because half-life. Okay, so NT is 300, 2 power minus T over 140 days. 140 days. Yes, 140 days. Okay, and you don't need to do anything. It says after T days. You are showing the equation. Okay, so now find the mass that remains after 50 days. Means you have to sub in 50. Okay, so it is 300, 2 power, so multiple, 2 power minus 50 over 140, and find the answer. Okay, this is in milligram. How do I know? Because it starts with milligram. Yes, remember, you need to have unit for me. How many hours, how many days, how many milligram, how many gram. Show me the unit and write a conclusion sentence. Conclusion sentence shouldn't be, the answer is this. I don't accept. The conclusion sentence should give enough information. How about C? How long will it take to decay to a mass of 200? Means how long that we have, after how long we have 200 when we start from 300 milligram. Okay, 2 power minus T over 140, and find T in days, I guess. Yes, it's coming in days, so T in days. From here you are just solving, you are just doing topic 4. Okay, but it's a word problem. You need to have a unit, you need to have sentence for me. Conclusion sentence must be informative enough. See how many times I can emphasize. This one I talked about. This one, if the amount of sugar in the bloodstream decreases by 25%, so 25% is gone, 75% is there, remains. Okay, oh okay, 75%. So 0.75% N0 equal N0, doesn't matter, N0 and N0 cancel each other. Beautiful. Find the half-life. 2 power or E power? 2 power, because talking about half-life. 2 power, negative or positive? Yes, negative, because half-life. So 2 power minus 21 over G. So find G in hours. Okay, this one I already did. Make sure you have to have a sentence. You should have a unit. How many units? Here. Okay, so question 12. What do you do here? So I can give you just some ideas. Okay, so for a reaction, the concentration of reactant decreases by, so means 15% is gone and 85% remains. Okay, in another attempt at the same reaction, the reactant concentration decreases by 73%. So the second one, 73% is gone, and of course 17% remains. Okay, but the student forgot to determine the time taken in the second reaction. Here I know 10 minutes. Here I know 10 minutes. Here I don't know. Okay, we don't know time. T we don't know. Find the length of the time for the second. So what do you do here? Okay, you use this. So 0.85% N0 equal N0. Okay, so do I have Anything about half-life? No, no. Okay, so e power minus 10k. Okay, and this cancel each other. Find k. Find k. Then in blue one, sub k to find t. Okay. Yes. Okay, let me see. 73% is gone, and oh, 27%. Yes, 27%. I'm sorry. 27%. Yes. Okay. So, okay, so maybe I can write it here. Then in this 0.27 n0 equal n0 e power minus kt. So then in this sub k to find t. Yes, you can do it. Remember, when you find k, you have to use several digits. Don't round it. Don't use the rounded answer. When you want to calculate the next step, you have to use more digits. Okay? Question 11. If it takes 2.30 seconds for the amount of radioactive material to decrease from 1 gram to this 0.100 gram, find the half-life. Okay, do I need e power or 2 power? I need 2 power. Do I need 2 power, positive or negative? Negative, half-life. Okay, so this guy equal this guy, 2 power minus half-life takes, okay, so 2.3 over, yes, over g, and find the answer. So from here is topic 4, find g. Find g, which is in seconds, because the time is in seconds as well. Okay, and then write the sentence. The half-life for this process from this to this, so it is this many seconds. Okay, so this one I did. Okay, so how about here? 8. So how about 8 here? Okay, so the number of these in particular culture increases exponentially. So this is growth exponentially with the time. For example, 3 hours, it goes from 11,000 to 80,000. Okay, so means 80,000 is here, 11,000 is here. Okay, e power or 2 power? Read the question. Find the doubling period. So I need 2 power. 2 power 3 over g. Find g. Yes, find g. Okay, yeah. How about this one? It is estimated that when the bacterial counts this, more nutrients should be added to the culture to sustain exponential growth. Okay, so this is just information, just from the science knowledge. So we don't go to that science and we don't explain that. Okay, so at what time should that occur? It says you start from 1,000, so this is the 1,000 start time. Okay, so what is n? 1 million. What is the start? 100. Okay, 2 power 2 power what? 2 power t over g. What is g? G is here. You start, okay, you use g from there. But that's the second part of the question. You use G from there. But remember, don't use rounded number. Don't use rounded G. No. You have to use more digits, because we do not want to use rounded for the next step, because then the answer won't be accurate. Okay? So, yes. So we did question 7, and for those part, yes. Okay? I really appreciate your time that you take to watch videos, and I'm going to move to the next topic for the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.